I am, I would say, privileged to be able to be on a panel, and I'm going to be moderating that panel, which I think is more of my strength. You know, all the people on the panel do KM, and a lot of firms are interested in KM, but they haven't been given the formal strategy or budgets to complete the tasks that need to be done. And so the members of our panel are going to talk about how they've been successful in knowledge management without having a structured KM department or a C-level strategist at the firm who's controlling the KM initiative. Well, I'm not sure that anything's taking my breath away, but the one thing that does take my breath away is I am, this year more than any other years, I am struggling to pick just one session to go to. The content is just amazing. You know, ILT is the kind of conference that is the perfect blend of education, social, and trend setting, knowledge and speakers. It is just the culmination of so many things, and I think that's been taking my breath away. Every session I'm thinking, which one should I go to? This one, no, that one, and it's getting very difficult. I hope they address that next year. But the trends, there are a number of trends that have been following. There's the Watson session. I think that's of interest to law firms. What's going to be the impact of Watson on the legal community? We're watching it in the medical community do some great things. Security is a huge issue, and it's a topic that I think will continue to be on the top of the trends for law firms. I sat in on a keynote speaker yesterday, and I felt he was very entertaining to start the show off with just a very uplifting session. And I think the key things that he pointed out is adopt or die, and I think this has been a trend in law firms over the course. We're not talking about disruptive technology anymore, but we're talking about change has got to happen, and adoption of new ways has to happen for law firms to flourish moving forward.